Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. How to enable auto call recording in Tecno Spark 40 or any Android device. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to enable auto call recording option in Tecno Spark 40 or any other Android device. This is a very useful feature that can help in recording calls and use them in future. Step-by-step guide. Tap on settings. Select SIM and network setting. Tap on call setting. Tap on auto record calls. Call recording feature is now enabled. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful updates.